Hello? Hello? Hey, so, yes, so I forgot about the background, but yes, this is my skin now, for now. I forgot he blinks. I forgot, I shouldn't say that. I forgot he blinks, the guy blinks. I have a, that's my tail sticking to my chest. I thought it was a freaking facehugger. But I got the Cyclops, one big tooth, mohawk. I made a video just now about how I made a villager, or not villager, the old blacksmith house. If you look in here, come in here, it's actually pretty accurate. I love this thing. This is the basic villager house. This is from memory, by the way. I made a small recording of me looking at the actual villager, or not villager, how the actual blacksmith looks. This is all stone, for one. And these logs are all one more up, which is I don't like, actually. I'll be honest. I don't like that. I like this, but that's my bad. All right. So more specifically, what's my bad? Well, I guess that's kind of perfect. I guess that's kind of perfect. Okay. I didn't have my microphone on, so I was talking to myself for a good 13 minutes about how I was doing such a good job on this house, and I didn't catch any of it. None of it. Absolutely none. This is so actually. I see my eye blinking. Oh my gosh. None of it. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I might have to I might do a voiceover of what I meant to say for the other one. But I set this whole thing to make it, and then it didn't go well. It didn't go well. Uh, it didn't go well. It didn't go well. So my guys, I do apologize. Bye. Hey guys, so the voice on this one didn't work either. But this is what I'm trying to build. And right here we got some other ones. This is the new one now, which I don't like, I'll be honest. Prefer the old one. Got a sand version here. Breaking news! I don't have a pause button, so I'm using this instead. This video is made by me. I was gonna say, the microphone didn't work, so I'm going to do a voiceover, so it's gonna be a little bit weird. My bad, guys. Hey guys, today I'm going to try to recreate the Minecraft blacksmith house from the good old days. Remember that? Yeah, I'm going to do it. And don't worry, guys, I'm not going to rock these Cyclops forever. It's taking me a lot longer to get my skin from the computer. But for now, I'm going to rock the Cyclops. Sorry, guys, I don't like cutting things, so I'm just going to speed this up really fast. So what I'm starting with right now is to build the reference point. Pretty much 2 slabs are in the original build. Here, we're going to go down the stairs right here. Right next to it, and up, crap. Get rid of that. One more time, up, okay, come on. One more time. Come on. Up. Yeah. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Now there's the reference point. Now let me build off that. Here's where I make my first mistake. I thought it was a 4 block across thing there. I'm going to put the furnaces right here, but those stone bricks there do not belong there. And there is why I forgot something. Is what it is. And now is when I realized, yeah, that cobblestone does not go there. Immediately break it because I was going to probably push it back. And then I realized, oh wait, I can just push everything forward and step back. Nope, I know where that comes from. Come on, go faster. Not there, no. That's it, I mean, I gotta push everything forward, so I'm gonna replace the furnaces and put them right in front of there. Wait, there's one back? There's one back, yeah. And now is when I realize it's really starting to come together. This is that one speed running part where the chest is, where they break that window and they just hop in and get the stuff. I love it. And now it's time to make the table. And then slime gets in my way. Then I get mad at slime. So I put the stuff back because I did not grab the stuff for the table. My bad. No, I punched the slime. Why not? Once again. Oh, screw the slime. Die. Okay. I go back here because I forgot something, but I didn't. So now I'm gonna make the table. Yay! And now we're starting on the interior, which is gonna be this one little table. I'm gonna put the chest in later. It's a cute little table, and you can't really. It's kind of a pointer to not forget the table. And there it is, guys, the basic blacksmith house. Took a second, but I got it done. I think this is accurate. This is how I always built, I believe. We got the table, we got the chest. I know there's no torches for the sake of, because I have no idea where they are. But yeah, I got it right. Got the windows, got the lava, got the slabs. It worked hard, I like it. Just ignore the camera in the background. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the... Give me longer.